Before we start today, I want you to think about something.
Yeah, what is it?
Building suspense, you meet someone new at work, at school, at a party, and there's that awkward silence. You have no idea what to say.
Oh, yeah, that uncomfortable moment. I know exactly what you mean.
So, what do Americans say in that exact moment, every single time?
What do they say?
Talk about the weather.
Of course, it is literally the #1 small talk topic in America.
Seriously, weather is the most common conversation starter in American English, and if you cannot talk about it naturally, you are missing out on so many real conversations.
Think about it. When someone says, "Can you believe this weather today?" Do you know how to respond? Do you have the words?
If your answer is, not really, then this video is made for you.
Hey everyone, welcome to Daily English Talks. I'm Jack.
And I'm Emily. And today, we're teaching you how to talk about the weather, naturally, confidently, just like a native American speaker.
By the end of this video, you will never have an awkward silence again because you will always have something to say.
And hey, if you are new here, welcome to the Daily English Talks family.
Hit that like button, subscribe, and smash that bell so you never miss a lesson.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
All right, before we jump into conversations, let's learn some essential weather vocabulary.
Yeah, because when someone talks about the weather, you need the right words to respond naturally.
Word 1, sunny, when the sun is out and the sky is clear. It is such a beautiful sunny day.
Word 2, cloudy, when the sky is covered with clouds. It looks pretty cloudy out there today.
Word 3, chilly, when it is a little cold but not freezing. Wow, it is really chilly this morning.
Word 4, freezing, extremely cold. Oh my gosh, it is absolutely freezing outside.
Word 5, boiling, extremely hot. Americans say this a lot in summer. It is literally boiling out there today.
Word 6, humid, when the air feels heavy and wet, very common in summer. It is so humid today, I cannot even breathe.
Word 7, breeze, a light and gentle wind. There's a nice breeze today. Feels amazing.
Word 8, forecast, the weather prediction for the next few days. Have you checked the forecast for this weekend?
Word 9, degrees, how we measure temperature. It's supposed to be 95 degrees today. Stay hydrated.
Word 10, under the weather. This is a fun idiom. It means feeling sick. Hey, I'm feeling a little under the weather today.
Jack, did you know under the weather does not mean standing in the rain?
I absolutely thought it meant that for way too long.
Now you know, under the weather means feeling sick, not standing outside in bad weather. Okay, now let's hear all that vocabulary in a real conversation. Morning small talk between two coworkers.
Oh my gosh, Emily, it is absolutely freezing out there today.
Really? How cold is it?
The forecast said 28 degrees, but it feels way colder. I think it's the wind.
Wow, I had no idea. I should have worn a heavier jacket.
Yeah, definitely. Hey, did you see the forecast for this weekend?
Let me check. Oh, wow. It says sunny and 65 degrees on Saturday.
Are you serious? That is perfect weather. We should totally do something outside.
Yeah, that sounds amazing. Maybe we could go for a hike?
Oh, I love that idea. A nice sunny day with a cool breeze. Perfect hiking weather.
Look at us, planning our whole weekend based on the weather.
That is what Americans do. We are very serious about our weather.
Did you catch it? Freezing, forecast, degrees, breeze, sunny, all used naturally in one conversation.
This is exactly how Americans talk every single morning, at work, at school, everywhere.
Awesome. Now let's hear a fun conversation between two friends talking about their favorite seasons.
Hey, Emily. So what is your favorite season?
Honestly, I think fall is my absolute favorite.
Really? Why fall?
Oh, The weather is just perfect. Not too hot, not too cold, just nice and chilly with a gentle breeze. And the leaves changing colors, it is just so beautiful.
Yeah, fall weather is pretty amazing. I love a good chilly morning with a hot coffee.
Exactly. What about you? What is your favorite season?
Summer, 100%.
Summer? But it gets so humid and boiling hot.
I know, but I love it. Beach days, sunshine, long evenings, it is the best.
Okay, but 95 degrees and super humid? How do you handle that?
Easy. Air conditioning, cold drinks, and the pool. Problem solved.
Fair enough. Hey, what about winter? Do you like the snow?
Honestly, I like snow for like one day. It looks pretty, but then it just gets freezing and dirty and awful.
Oh my gosh, that is so true. The first snow is magical, and then by day 2, you are over it.
Exactly. Give me sunny and 72 degrees any day.
See how natural that was? Talking about seasons and weather is one of the easiest ways to start a real conversation in English.
Chilly, humid, boiling, freezing, breeze, sunny, all those words just flowed naturally. That is what we want for you.
All right, super quick review of everything from today.
Weather vocabulary.
Sunny, cloudy, chilly, freezing, boiling.
Humid, breeze, forecast, degrees, under the weather.
Can you believe this weather today?
It is absolutely freezing out there.
Have you checked the forecast for this weekend?
It is supposed to be 95 degrees today.
Perfect weather for a hike.
Give me sunny and 72 degrees any day.
And remember, under the weather means feeling sick, not standing in the rain.
I learned that the hard way, so you don't have to.
10 vocabulary words, 6 natural phrases, and now you can talk about the weather like a real American.
And next time someone says, "Can you believe this weather?" you will have so much to say.
Now go to the comments and tell us, what is your favorite season and why?
Use today's words, like, I love fall because the weather is perfectly chilly and there's always a nice breeze. We want to read your answer.
And if today's lesson was helpful, please hit that thumbs up. It really means the world to us.
Subscribe to Daily English Talks and share this with a friend who wants to speak more natural American English.
New lessons every week. Easy, fun, and real American English just for you.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and never stop improving your English.
Thanks so much for learning with us today.
See you in the next video. Bye-bye.